Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is for you. I hope you're having a good day. This morning, just wanted to chat a little bit about setting the tone of your day, establishing the mood of your day. Setting the tone of the day begins at the moment you wake up. This is to help establish a daily routine of meditation. It's also about establishing how you choose your day to go. We can't always predict what's going to happen in a day, but what we can predict is how we choose to approach the day. So, conscious relaxation is a wonderful way to start the day. That's pretty much all I wanted to say on that. I mean, we will have some discussions and talks about it coming up. But for right now, let's just set the tone. Let's just set the tone of how we want to go into this day. So right now, take a seat wherever you are. It can be anywhere really, as long as you're sitting comfortable, your back is straight, you're alert, you're not having any kind of pain or discomfort in the way that you're sitting. So once you figure out that sitting spot, just rest in that space for a moment without doing anything, just being very conscious of everything, how you're sitting. Just that simple act right there is a tone setter. You're setting the tone for how you want to do even this right now. In that, we want to allow ourselves to go a little bit deeper into a conviction of setting the tone. Setting the tone, of course, has a lot to do with intention, with establishing of a mood. So when you sit to meditate, establish the mood. The mood that we're choosing is conscious relaxation. The mood is calmness, peace, serenity. So even before you start your practice, you've already set the tone of how you want to approach it. So right now, just take a nice inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. And again, inhale through the nose. Exhale through your mouth. With your attention at that point between the eyebrows, just rest in that space for a moment. Now take a really deep inhale through the nose, expanding your lungs, filling your lungs with air. Continue to inhale all the way, fill up the lungs, and then simply allow the air to come out with a nice exhale through the mouth. Inhaling. And exhaling. With your attention at that point between the eyebrows, inhale. Exhale. With the intention of serenity, inhale. Exhale. With the allowing of calmness, inhale. Exhale. Setting the tone of okayness, inhale. Exhale. Rest in that okayness space. Okay in the body. Okay in the mind. Okay in the heart. Okay in our overall well-being. Another good inhale through the nose, very deep. Exhale through the mouth. And simply rest in this space. You're making the conscious decision to be still. You're making the conscious decision to be fully conscious, fully aware of doing absolutely nothing. You're okay. Inhale. And exhale. Rest in the space for a moment. Serenity. Our affirmation today is serenity. You are serenity. You have serenity. You give serenity. Let's say I am, I have, I give. I am serenity, I have serenity, I give serenity. Take a nice inhale through the nose. Exhale through your mouth. I am serenity, I have serenity, I give serenity. I am serenity, I have serenity, I give serenity. Keep repeating out loud, I am serenity, I have serenity, I give serenity. I am serenity, I have serenity, I give serenity. Continue to repeat those words, I am serenity. Feel what that means to you in this moment. I have serenity. I give serenity. I am serenity, I have serenity, I give serenity. All the while sitting comfortable with your back straight and your attention at that point between the eyebrows. Take a really good inhale through the nose. Exhale. and continue to repeat, I am serenity, I have serenity, I give serenity. Continue repeating into a whisper, and then into a soft whisper, and then into the silence where it really starts to get into your overall being. When you are repeating your affirmation in the silence, keep repeating it till it goes even deeper than that first layer of silence. I am serenity. I have serenity. I give serenity. Continue. And rest in this space.